The city's doing geothermal testing to see how well geothermal will work for the city's HVAC systems here at City Hall. What they'll do is drill down into the ground and they'll test the thermal conductivity. So they'll figure out how well the earth does at moving heat through it to determine if it's going to be effective enough for us to use as a heating system and cooling system for City Hall. City Hall's current heating system is a natural gas system, like many homes. City Hall is a particularly unique heating system with very, very old cast iron boilers that have been retrofit. The geothermal system will both heat and cool using the most modern technology that we can. The most expensive part of it is putting the wells into the ground, and then those stay there. This system will be used twice as long as a typical heating and cooling system, allowing us to reap huge savings. Sustainable investments last longer and need less reinvestment later. So a system that's going to last 50 years versus a system that's going to last 25 years is a much better long-term investment. City Hall Renovation Project is prioritizing sustainability. We're going to see increased efficiency of the windows and things like green roofs and solar panels, and making sure that the renovated City Hall is as efficient as possible, as sustainable as possible, making sure that Alexandria meets its Eco-City goals, the goals in the Environmental Action Plan, and the Energy and Climate Change Action Plan. So making sustainability a priority at the outset is an important part of hitting both our sustainability goals, but being good stewards of the city's tax dollars. And because we know that City Hall is going to be here for another 100 years, we know that's worth that investment.